Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the factory set to Beats Solo Buds. Just for example, you can do this if they're giving you issues, or if you're done using them and want to sell them. Now all you're going to do is open up the case, and make sure your earbuds are in the case. Then you notice there's the two Bs. On other earbuds like the Studio Buds, there's a button here. But for here there's no button. So you're going to hold the two Bs until you hear a specific sound. Just keep holding. There's one more step after this, so keep watching. That sound right there. Now one more step. Go bring up your Bluetooth menu. On iPhone, go to Settings and go to Bluetooth. Then you see we still have the Beats Solo Buds, so press the I. And at the bottom press Forget Device. And Forget Device. Forget Device. And yeah, good luck fixing your issue or selling.